this is Anna. Today we are going to make a healthy, delicious, and affordable burger recipe. So what we're going to use today is our favorite healthy chicken. So what I have right here, of course, the main star of our dish is a lean chicken, and this is a wonderful, and actually this, I will recommend most of the time if I'm craving for hamburger, I use chicken. So those are the ingredients. I have a turkey stuffings, all right, very simple. And of course, for our toppings later for our hamburger, I'm gonna be using Arnold thin sandwich because this is less calories and this is only 150 calories. Okay, so my baby and I started using this instead of a regular hamburger bun, and less calories, and I like them also because it's a multi-grain. Okay, and I'm gonna be using white American cheese. So what I have right here is avocado, tomatoes, it's a basic hamburger toppings, lettuce, and of course blue cheese. So we're gonna be using the blue cheese, and of course you can also use a mayonnaise plus the blue cheese if you prefer to do that. And we are going to use, of course, virgin olive oil for our oil. All right, so what we're going to do is clean our counter, and so we can mix our hamburger. Okay, so we're gonna start with our chicken, and this is 1 pound chicken. Okay, all right, we'll just put them in our mixture bowl, and then our turkey stuffings. Beautiful. That's around half a cup, just enough to bind our chicken. I have dried onion. You can use a fresh onion if you prefer to use a fresh one, but for this time I'm gonna use a dry onion. Garlic powder. Oh, it's delicious. And if you notice, guys, I'm not going to put any salt in it because the stuffings is already salty, and at the same time we're going to try it to make it more healthier since I already have cheese, stuffings, so I don't need a additional salt. Okay, so all we have to do, my hands is clean, all we have to do is just mix this chicken mixture. Oh yeah, it smells so good. It smells the aroma of garlic and onion. Okay, this is pretty simple, guys. The only thing that really makes it different is our stuffings, because instead of using a regular breadcrumbs, I use the stuffings, and you would have the crunch of the stuffings when you bite your hamburger. You know what I'm saying? And I like that. Sometimes hamburger, I know hamburger is hamburger, but to me hamburger is not just hamburger, because I try to flavor them with different flavors, make it your own touch, and you can't get wrong with hamburgers. So but anyway, so after this we're going to fry them now, guys, and then I'm so excited to try them. Okay, guys, so we'll try to flip our chicken and see if it's already cooked. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Delicious. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, the chicken burger right there. And then we will fry the other side for a minute, guys. Okay, so guys, so we'll start assembling our beautiful seasoned chicken burger. Okay, so You can use, like I said, you can use a mayonnaise with the blue cheese, or you can use just a blue cheese since it's already been seasoned and things like that. But at this time I'm gonna show you, you know, with the mayonnaise, okay? But like I said, if you prefer just the blue cheese, that would be fine too. Let me hold this. Okay. Just enough to coat the bread because we're trying to make it a little healthier. Okay, so I'm gonna get my beautiful chicken burger. Okay, or we can put them on the top side first. Okay, then put our lettuce. I love lettuce. Every time I make me a hamburger, I always put a lot of lettuce in. Okay, and then we're gonna grab our knife. We'll put some. Okay, we'll put some avocado. Right there. Smells so good, guys. If you could just smell it. Okay, that's our avocado. And then we will put our chicken burger, our tomatoes. I'm so excited with this, guys. Yum yum! I can open my cheese. So this is an American, white American cheese, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna be using two delicious American cheese. And if you like a yellow American cheese, you can use them too. Right there. I'm so excited to try this, guys. Just with the smell, amazing. Amazing. Okay, and then our blue cheese. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So this is our seasoned chicken burger. Look how big that is, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm ready to dig in this beautiful hamburger, guys. So there you go, guys. So this is the finished product of our seasoned chicken burger. See how nice and beautiful. Using this thin sandwich, guys, is you can taste the burger patty that you are using. So that's why I like using this thin one. So I hope, guys, that you like my recipe today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you can try this at home, guys. For sure you will love this. Definitely you will love this. And don't forget, guys, to also click the notification bell down below. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you like this recipe. See you again next time. And I still have a lot of recipe for you guys, you know, to share, you know, to feel a home cooking, you know, taste and flavors. Okay, guys, thank you so much. See you later. Bye.